rather than looking for someone and like searching them and finding the wrong guy, sending the wrong request, I want you to find the right guy. And that's how you can connect our LinkedIn here using this particular QR code kind of thing. And then we will be open to the open networking. And food will also be served, as you can see and smell. Yes. Can you smell?
Yes.
Anyway, I'm moving to the next thing. We have a small game for you so that we can keep you entertained. And at the same time, we have some goodies to give away, whoever wins. And I wish all of you win, but we don't have that much of goodies. Sorry. To conduct this game, kind of corporate game, I used to call it, but rather I hope not, so that we can enjoy. I will hand over the mic to Subhankar Banerjee, who is our PR partner. He represents 7 Sense Communication. And I will request Subhankar to take over and talk a little bit about himself, his farm, then carry on the game. Subhankar, on stage, Subhankar. Thank you so much, guys.
Thank you. Good evening, everyone. First of all, I would like to take the red carpet here. Nobody is using this. My name is Subhankar Banerjee. I'm the founder and director of 7 Sense Communication, a PR agency from Guwahati. Before going to the game, I will talk about the pandemic topic that was given here. So the topic was business during pandemic, and as you mentioned, life during pandemic. So I'll make a mix of both. I'll start with business during pandemic. In my industry, in public relations, most of the things are done online. I started my agency in the year 2018, and still now I work from home. I have an office set up in my residence itself. I do not have a separate office. But what was more challenging for me in this pandemic was conducting press conferences. In public relations, in media management, the main important thing is conducting press conferences as well, and which is not possible online. So what all of a sudden in the month of June, I got a call from my client who is from Delhi. They wanted to conduct a press conference in Guwahati, and at that time there was a second phase lockdown in Guwahati, and which was not possible. Everything went out of the mind. I was finding out ways how to conduct a press conference online. Then I successfully conducted the press conference over Zoom app, and what benefit we got and I got from that was I could connect journalists from other states as well. In a press conference in Guwahati, I can call journalists from Guwahati. In fact, journalists from Tezpur or Dibrugarh or other editions won't come to Guwahati. But when I thought of conducting this press conference in Zoom app, I got journalists, over 40 people from across northeastern states joined me there. And even now when I do offline press conferences, I connect the other state journalists over digital platform. So that really gives me a lot of liberty to work, and that is how pandemic has helped me. Now, life during pandemic. Okay, I will take this word from Robin, I think. Yeah. So life during pandemic, just recall what we did in the month of March, April, May. Let me tell you, I'm sure everybody must have done this. I have watched Shaktiman, Ramayan, Mahabharat, right? We played Ludo, we played Carom, I played chess, everything was online. And that is what we used to do offline maybe 20 years back with our friends, with our school friends and all. So we went back to our school days in a digital platform. That was really very interesting. So this is all about the topic. The advantages, I would say, in my sector it was more of an advantage. I would like to end here, and now I will go to the second part, the gaming part. Are you ready to play a game? Ready? Yes. Okay. Can you come here, Rajshri Anup? This place is like. Okay, so we have 6 questions, 3 image-based questions and 3 very I volunteer brother and sister to come here. 4 of you. Any 4? Yeah, one will stand here. One can stand here. You can come, you both can come here. Okay. Yes, yes. Now the rule of the game is, I will show you something on the screen. Is the screen visible? Everyone? Once you, the question and the options are there in the screen. Once you get the answer, do not shout, just raise your hand. Okay? Start. Volunteers, kindly check who is raising the hand. Yes, please come here. Both of you, please come here. Both of you, please come here. Anup, please. She was first. He is second. You are third. Okay, time up. For this question, the time is up. You are first. Okay. Now you will tell the answer secretly to him. What was her answer? Okay. So we have a tie. We have a tie. You are eliminated. Sorry. You can come here. Okay. So the answer is option B. Are you sure? Yeah. Sure? Okay, there is a tie, but as she was the one to raise hand first, she will get the goodies. Yeah, you can go. I would request one of the volunteers to come up and give the goodies. Second, answer this please. फटाफट, class 5 का मैच है. One who know the answer can come up by raising his or her hand. Please. Yes, please. I will call maximum of 5 people. 2 are done. Please.
How's the doors? Come on.
मैथमेटिक्स करना पड़ेगा, ऐसे नहीं आएगा. I think BODMAS formula यूज कर लो. 2, any more? I think you try? Yes, you?
I think others should get a chance.
Yes, right. If they fail, I'll call you, okay? Time up. Time is up. Your answer. Your answer. I have 2 answers, but both are wrong. But if we have a sum of both the answer, then the answer is right. She said 1 and he said 20, and the answer is 21. Both can go, please. To find out this answer, you can use your calculator. I did it using my calculator. Okay, next. How many of you know this guy? Just raise your hand. How many of you think can answer questions relating to him? Can come up here. How many of you think can answer something relating to this guy? Can come up here. Anyone? Easy question, एकदम easy है. इसका नाम के अलावा सब है.
I can guess.
Yes. Yes. I think yes, please. Okay. So we have 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right. Okay. I will start. पहले किसने दिया था आपने? Okay. Now again, I will tell the question. You'll just raise your hand. He is. Right. This is not my question, by the way. he is Sushant Singh Rajput. What was his first movie? Please raise your hand. Guy Koche. Right. This is not the end. Okay. As the four are here, we will have multiple questions.
One question, one answer, right?
No. This is question number 3 and yeah. He played a role of a tourist guide in a movie. Name the movie. Raise your hand. Yeah.
Kedarnath.
Yes. You have to raise your hand first.
But I get this right?
Yes, you get it. No, you said Kedarnath, but you have to raise your hand. Okay. Okay. Then this question is eliminated. Okay, you have to raise your hand first. He played a role of the father in a movie. Name the movie.
I have this answer.
Yes. Letter 10.
So this is movie name.
कॉलेज फ्रेंड्स का था ना यार.
I know.
Yes. She's right. Sichore. Okay. He has got 1. She has got 1.
I got 1.5, I guess.
No. Then you will get 5.
Yes.
Then you will get 1.5. Okay. Do you remember the image? Which movie is it?
Ye dil, sorry.
Yeah. Okay. Pick it. He got 2. 2, 1, 2, 1, 0, 0. Okay.
Come on, Moviba.
Okay. Question number 4. The image is from the movie BK. What was his name in the movie BK?
He was Farhan, Farhan. He's a guy from Pakistan.
I know. Sarfaraz.
So nobody will get it from here. The award goes to everyone from here. Okay. So till his name was Sarfaraz. He was from Lahore. In the movie.
Like this, Anwar Sarfaraz.
Yeah. Okay. You have 2. You have 1. Till now. He worked in a famous Hindi serial. Name the Hindi serial. You raised your hand and you got it. 1. No, but he raised his hand and he told you better.
जीरो में हूँ यार.
No. Please let yeah. Okay.
So one should not raise and tell. Like first raise and then you
Fine, brother.
Okay. Yeah. So why 1, 1, 2, 1.
No, who presses the button? He will answer.
Okay. The last one. Okay. The last question. In the movie MS Dhoni, The Untold Story, Sushant acted with 2 actresses. No. The question is not over here. That actress is Disha Patani and Kiara Advani. Okay? This is not my question. Who played the role of his father and sister?
I know. Anupam Kher played his father and Bhagyashree played his sister.
Bhagyashree is the wrong answer.
That girl is
Mere Dil
Bhumika Chawla. Okay. You get 2.5. Okay. And the round ends. So, question number 3, the winner is Robin. Okay, now Robin and she will not be allowed to answer other questions. Next slide, please. Do you think you can answer something related to him? Anything relating to him? Please come up. Answers relating to him. Yes, you can participate. Yes. Anup? Anyone? Who is he, by the way? Anyone from volunteers? Yes? Riddhiman Shah. Yes, he is MS Dhoni. Okay?
Yes.
3 of you, please, up here.
Yeah, please.
Okay. First question. You will raise your hand and then answer. What is his highest score in ODI?
183.
Yes, correct. How much did he score in 2011 Cricket World Cup final?
92. 91.
Correct. When did Dhoni retire from international cricket? The day.
15th August.
Yes. Okay. How much did MS Dhoni score in his debut ODI match?
0.
Yeah, 3. I think Anup has already won this, okay?
Yes.
But formally we have one more question, which Anup will not answer. Okay? How many times did Dhoni win the IPL for CSK? Both of you.
5.
Yes, 3. So, question number this goes to Anup. The gift hamper goes to Anup. We have the last, we have 2 more questions. Yeah. How many can answer something related to him? Try. The questions are very easy. Here's the one who have won, they can participate as well. Even volunteers can participate. Okay, I'll just ask his name. Please participate. Yes. The host has.
I think that Barad.
Yes. Those who want to come. This is the last image-based question.
Fine.
Nobody else? Ma'am? Moshinda, I think, but I will make sure.
I really didn't know about these questions. I really didn't know about this.
Yes. This is completely.
But I am sure that you will win this round. I am saying that you will win this round.
But I will make sure you will not get the goodies. Okay, I will take it. Okay. So the question is, who is he? Tarun Gogoi, of course. Yeah. In which year did Tarun Gogoi take the charge of CM for the first time in Assam? Yes.
2005.
This is 2005.
No, 2001.
Yes. 2001.
I was not in Assam.
15 years.
Yes. 15 years. 2001 to 2016. For continuously for 3 years. Okay. His brother was a member of parliament. What is his brother's name and from which constituency was he the MP?
Pradeep Gogoi.
No.
Okay, Gogoi is
Gogoi is retired, but I don't know first time.
Okay. He was Deep Gogoi and he was from Koliapur.
Oh, I say pro extra.
Yeah. Okay. Tarun Gogoi was the dash Chief Minister of Assam. 11, 12, 13 or 14?
12.
Very close.
Then it should be 13.
30.
That is wrong. That is wrong.
Okay. How many terms did he serve as the CM we know? CM we know, 3. MP. He was the MP before CM. For how many terms he was the CM before becoming MP before becoming the CM?
10.
No.
8.
6.
Okay, 6.
Yeah. He was born in.
Wild guesses.
Yeah, that's right.
Okay, this nobody is going to get this
No.
because it's going wild everywhere.
That's fine. Actually,
The guesses are. Yeah.
I would suggest that, Lalit gets
Yeah,
one because
at
he's
least for
participating
active
continuously.
Yes.
participation, should get something.
Yes. That I will leave it up to the host. Okay, the last is that he was born in a tea state in Assam, in the district.
Jorhat.
Before it was Sibsagar, now it is Jorhat. It's not my question. The question is, name the tea state.
No idea. Can you give us any guesses? Any guesses? Hint or something? Then we can try it.
Yeah. What kind of hint shall I give? I'll just translate that place.
Yeah.
Okay.
Colorful life. Then Rajeshri will tell if my translation was good or not. Colorful life in Assamese.
Wrong.
Okay. Red life.
Wrong, Julie.
Red life.
Wrong, Julie.
Red life.
Real life.
Ramadan.
Yes, right. Ramadan. Okay. So the round is over.
Yeah, thank you.
great.
Yeah.
Yeah, we enjoyed.
Yeah, you answered one, yes. Okay, the last question. Everyone can have a look at this, then we'll finish the gaming part. Yeah. There is a greenhouse. Inside a greenhouse, there is a white house. Inside the white house, there is a red house. And inside the red house, there are many babies. What is it? Or who am I?
Watermelon.
Yes, right answer. Please. I would request someone to come up and give it. And in fact, I will give it because it was very tough.
Yeah, you can try.
Thank you.
Thank you. So with this, I end the session. Hope you enjoyed.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you. Now I'd like to request our host Mosinda to come up and take the proceedings. Thank you.
Thank you, Subankar. We enjoyed a lot with wild guesses, right? It was fun. Thank you so much. Now we are moving to the next part, the most important part. That is what?
Open.
Yeah, something open. What is that? Okay, slides are over. Anyway, it is open networking, the core reason of this entire event. So I'm opening the floor for everyone to connect and to have some food and tea that has been served. So that's all, guys, and then we'll come back for the BOT in a few seconds, few moments. In the meantime, if you have any kind of things to add, if you have any kind of fun thing to add, if you have any kind of value to add, I would request you to come forward, take the stage, and anything, if you want to add anything.
Mohsin, I have some suggestions.
Okay, yeah, please.
I don't want to use this mic. Actually, I know a lot of entrepreneurs from Assam who actually they say they want to be active on LinkedIn, but they don't know how to use the LinkedIn app. So from the LinkedIn side of LinkedIn Guwahati, if you can do something on Facebook only, because they are active on in Facebook or Insta, they are active, but they say it's quite confusing. It's so for them, so to help them out, how they can come to be active on LinkedIn and how to make their followers or connections, how they can get through their posts like this kind of guidance. Thank you.
Thank you so much for your valuable suggestion. I would like to add something here on a personal note, but on professional grounds. I'm just trying to deliver the field of digital marketing and digital media to the grassroots level people, because there are so many people who are entrepreneurs and they are doing fabulous work like with their profession and whatever they're doing, like weaving, cutting, knitting, all these things. But what they lack, the gap I was talking about earlier, the digital literacy gap is already there, and because of that they don't know how to use these things. And I'm really happy to see people like Malavika Vaidu and others who are really helping those people who are at the grassroots level to make them alive on digital media. So this is what we need, the need of the hour actually. And then I would like to mention about Facebook. Yes, Facebook is there. Many people use Facebook, but they don't know how to use this thing. And many of them, when I visited those places, recently I was on a tour, like I was giving grassroots level classes. And what I realized, most of the time people use it as a ghatak. Do you know what is a ghatak? What is a ghatak?
No idea.
They are matchmakers.
Oh.
Many of the people, even in the villages, they use Facebook just to stalk on someone. If they are looking for some. Yeah, honestly, it is happening. I surveyed this firsthand. I was in the field, I was teaching those people, and I asked them, why do you use Facebook? First they say to make connections, to friends. And then when I just mingle up, when I came to their level, and I talked like more Tenuka friend, then they really opened up, and they say. There were cases like where I was looking for this in my family, and we use Facebook, and that is the part of Ghatak. So that's how life is going, but at least not stopping, thank God, even not during the pandemic, and that's the best part. So we are open to the open networking part and the food and tea being served, as you can see. So over to the open networking session, and we'll be back at the VOT and to the conclusion in the next, say, 10-15 minutes. Thank you guys. Thank you everyone. A good round of applause for you. Not for me, for you, please.
Thank you for your efforts also.
Thank you.
Exactly.